Hello, we have a problem on angle here. Given that PQRST is a pentagon, ST is a straight line, you have to find x plus y. So we have two rules that we have to follow. The first called the corresponding angle. The A plus B is 180. Now this is the first rules that we have to use. The second rule, we have the alternate angle. So we have here 32, and there somewhere here we have to identify as another 32. So how to do that? The y here we have to divide by 2. So that we have the 32 angle at the top portion here. The bottom portion here will form a corresponding angle like this. So therefore, the bottom here is 180. The top here is 32. So therefore, you want to find x plus y is your corresponding angle, which is 180, plus the upper portion here we come from the alternate angle 32 is equals to 216 degrees. So this is a short video of mine. Hope it is useful for all the students out there. Take care. Bye bye.